Practice test 20, food chains and energy flow. Today I want to explain food chains and how energy flows through ecosystems. A food chain shows who eats whom, starting with producers and ending with top predators. Energy is transferred from one level to the next, but some energy is always lost. Let me illustrate with two examples. First, consider a grassland ecosystem. Grass, as the producer, converts sunlight into food through photosynthesis. Zebras eat the grass, transferring energy to the herbivore level. Lions then prey on zebras, transferring energy to the predator level. However, with each step, some energy is lost as heat. Second, look at a marine ecosystem. Tiny phytoplankton act as producers, making food from sunlight. Small fish eat the plankton, bigger fish eat the small fish, and sharks eat the bigger fish. Again, energy moves up the chain, but less reaches each level. These examples show how energy moves in predictable patterns, sustaining life at different levels. The professor describes food chains. Using examples from the lecture, explain the concept and how the professor illustrates it.